Ooh.
There it is. Gotta capture all the emotions and all the excitement on film. That's some good tacos right there. Alright, so welcome back to Retro's Rants and Raves. To set a little bit of context for you, I've got a bike that needs some work done on it, so I headed over to Rubble's house to grab his trailer. I've known Rubble all my life, and when I started riding bikes, none of my friends rode. So I talked Rubble into getting a bike and taught him to ride the night before we went and picked up his first motorcycle. A few months later, we met James Johnson and decided to start Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club back in 2009. Retro in the Rubble studio doing some live Premiere Pro training. So we told you guys we were going to be checking out RestoMoto, and here we are. There it is, somewhere back there. Yeah, so I've actually got this Suzuki Marauder. Alright, so this is my 1997 Suzuki Marauder 800 without a seat on it. But hey, you know, you pick up a cheap bike, you do what you can to get it running yourself. And then when you get to the end of your knowledge and your friend's knowledge, then you take it to a real shop and you let them sync the dual carburetors together. So hopefully they'll be able to get it squared away, and this baby will be up and running. It'll be a good little bike for anybody, really. I think I'm going to go maybe club style with it. So I got the T-bars. Maybe a cafe fairing up front. Let's see. Right on. So, last night we were super late dropping the bike off at RestoMoto, and the owner, Mario, was super accommodating. He stuck around and waited for us to get there, and so we got the bike unloaded, and as soon as we did, we realized we don't have the key. Drew forgot to put the key in the bike before we picked it up, but that's alright. So I decided it was Freedom Friday, and I was going to do a little something special and try to get the key over to RestoMoto so that they could move the bike wherever they needed to and do what they got to do with it. It's Freedom Friday, and sometimes when you can't make it to Freedom Friday's got to come to you. So today, I'm surprising my mechanic with some tacos. What's up, guys? Where's Mario at? He's in the office. All right, I'll go right there. Look at that shop. Look at that. These cool sports that your bikes over here. Oh, what a cool shop. What a cool shop. So I had to come back again because Drew forgot to give me the key to the bike. Mario!
Right.
¿Qué pasa, amigo? I come bearing gifts.
Dude, that's awesome, dude.
Have you eaten yet?
No.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
That is great.
Hey, man, sometimes when you can't make
my morning.
make Freedom Friday's
Freedom
gonna come to
Friday.
you, man.
I appreciate it, man.
There it is. Gotta capture all the emotions and all the excitement on film. That's some good tacos right there. Taco de barbacoa, and then these are what they call pescadas. This one's a steak and pastor, which is their seasoned pork.
This is gonna be great.
Yeah, dude. Oh, the smell. It's getting to me. I want more already. I just ate them. I need more.
It's like my mouth watered.
Yeah, man. Sorry, buddy. I didn't bring any for you.
It's fine.
Your old man might share if he's feeling good.
I'm gonna wash my hands and start eating this thing before they get warm or before they get cold.
Absolutely. Yeah, man. So tell me your name, the name of the shop, and
my name's Mario. I'm the owner, one of the techs here at RestoMoto. We started out the shop as a custom shop, so we do a lot of the custom work. You know, adding flamethrowers on pipes. You know, anything you want done on the bike, we can make it happen. We also have a parts department and a service department. You know, to get you and you know, the maintenance for your bike ready.
Keep them rolling down the road.
Yeah. We also build custom cafe racers from the frame all the way up. We even convert a lot of the analog systems to digital, so we get it all, you know, up to you know, current electrical for bikes.
Good stuff, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing how my bike turns out after y'all get done with it.
Sounds
good stuff, man.
Sounds good.
All right. Initial thoughts. What you think?
Man, this is good. The meat is good. It's tender. Tastes great. Salsa's good.
Yeah, man.
Not too spicy.
Made in house, fresh. Daily. That's it.
Yeah. This is really good.
Y'all on Platt Springs?
Correct.
1500 Platt Springs?
That's right, 1500 Platt Springs. Phone number for the shop is 843-693-7435.
Cool.
Give us a call, we'll help you out.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out RestoMoto on Instagram. Ride fast, pray hard. We'll see you next time.